Primetime news this evening, a fare hike debate between the opposition and the government takes another turn. Beachy Stout trial halted after the discovery of undisclosed statements. And a fresh call from stakeholders for path allocations to be increased for students.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to our viewers in the Cayman Islands International. Now, I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, I'll have the latest from the Business and Consumer Confidence Survey, and the confidence indices of both categories have gone up, but there's something else very interesting that will come. They looked at the idea of persons thinking whether or not their jobs will be taken by technology, and you definitely want to see those findings.
Interesting indeed, and Jordan Fort is here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan.
Well, Gio, Alana Reid is Jamaica's fastest under 20 junior over 100 meters, and guess what? She'll now be the training partner of world champion American Shakira Richardson. She's switched training camps. I'll tell you more, of course, in a Primetime Sports a little later on.
Thank you very much, Jordan. And we had some rain across sections of the island today. Romaine Robinson, what's happening with the weather?
Just about all parishes did experience some rainfall today, especially across sections of the east. We also have some reports of flooding. We'll have a look at that in just a moment, but we are expecting more showers tonight going into tomorrow, especially across central and eastern parishes.
Now, there will also be E-Prime in this newscast and sports commentary later, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, what's your reaction to calls for the path allocation to schools to be increased?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.